Today, we're diving into some amazing tips for using Safari on your iPhone. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, these tips will help you navigate the web like a boss. Let's jump right in and level up your browsing game. First up, let's talk about private browsing mode. This feature is perfect for those moments when you want to keep your browsing history completely private. To turn it on, just tap the tabs button, then select Private. It's like a secret mode for all your browsing needs. Super handy, right? Next on our list is Reader View. Ever get tired of seeing a web page flooded with ads and pop-ups? Reader View's got you covered. Just tap the little icon in the address bar, and boom, all the clutter disappears. Now you can focus on just the content in a clean, easy-to-read format. So much better. Okay, let's talk bookmarks. If you come across a page you want to revisit later, hit the share button and choose Add Bookmark. Easy, right? But to take it to the next level, you can actually organize these bookmarks into folders. So whether it's news, shopping, or recipes, you'll always know where to find them. Have you tried tab groups yet? If you're like me and constantly juggling a ton of open tabs, this feature is a lifesaver. You can group tabs by different projects or interests. Just tap the tabs button and choose New Tab Group. It keeps everything organized and helps you stay on top of things without feeling overwhelmed. And last but not least, here's a trick to make accessing your favorite websites even faster. Add them to your home screen. Just tap the share button, select Add to Home Screen, and you'll get an app-like icon for instant access. Super convenient, right? That's a wrap for today. I hope these Safari tips make your browsing experience smoother and more efficient. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome tips. See you in the next video.